So 14-4, actually 4 is a little bit easier here than 14-3, but we'll go through it. So 3 has lots of variables, right? I won't read the whole thing, but it's basically a satisfaction index, and it gives us, lots of information. Okay, it tells us that y hat's equal to 16.24, right? Plus 0.017, that's based on the age. X1 is age, X2 is income, which is plus. I think these are all pluses, so plus 0.0028. Children is 42, right? Plus 3 times 42. Assets 0.0012. Okay, health, etc. Right? Okay, so then it just asks, what's the estimated index of satisfaction for a person who first married at 18? That's why I've got the information in up here. Okay, who first married at 18, has an annual income of $26,500. I got this one over here. $26,500. I'm sorry. Has 3 children. Has assets of $156,000. Has an index of health status of 141, and 4.5 or 2.5 social activities per week. Oh, I got these kind of mixed up, don't I? It's pretty easy to change, so I'll change this to 2.5 because I think that's what I want there, right? Yeah, 2.5 social activities. So this is actually for A. And then it's simply a matter of putting in the equation, right? It's equals K1, so it's equal to, the K1, my dependent variable, okay, plus this times this, plus this times this. I'm not going to put in the whole plus this times this. Now you have to be careful, okay? In my case, they are all pluses. It could be mixed up. There could be pluses and minuses. In your guys' case, they're all minuses. And so make sure that you're careful and you get your signs between these multiplications correct. I don't think I could figure out an easy way to do this other than putting it in, kind of long form. I suppose you could do it like this. You could say this one's equal to this, okay, and then this is equal to this times this, right? And you could do that. Oops. And this one then would be the sum, but again, that's only because these are all added, right? If they were a minus, I suppose then all you'd have to do is change your sign here on this particular one to a negative, and then you'd be okay. So you could do it like that. It might be a little bit easier than the way I did it with the long equation. Okay, and then B, it says, what would add more to satisfaction, an additional income of $10,000 a year or 2 more social activities a week? That's why I had that changed. Okay, so I can simply then change it. This is the 10,000. That's what I did here. This is the increase of 10,000, and this is the adding 2 activities. And so, boom, there you go. Oh, I'd have to go 26.5. Oh, that'd be the, yeah. Right, so if I add $10,000 to my income, or 2 more activities, which just goes to show you that money's not everything, right? The 2 activities added significantly more to my satisfaction would be my answer for B. You guys have your A. Make sure you don't just assume, because the numbers are the same as the top deal in your problem, right? But the answer is not the same as that 30.3. 30.3 is not the answer for your guys' A. Okay, what effect would installing 7 inches? So there again, you just basically do the same equation, but change the 6 to the 7. Okay, and keep in mind that your guys' are both negatives, and then it says, why are the regression coefficients negative, and is it logical? That's just one you're going to have to think through.